Lights are lighting up everything pretty much in here. They light up the whole thing. I'm gonna turn it off right now to see how dark it is. All right, so how dark it is. The lights are right here. There you go. Too bright for the actual camera. Lighting up the whole area. All right, this is the floodlights without the electricity. We're gonna plug it in. First time plugging it in, we're gonna go ahead and plug in the lights. See how it works. The lights are super powerful. You guys can see them. They're coming on. Let me see if I can turn it down just a little bit so you guys can see a little bit. So the lights, you can move them any degree you want. There is no day or night mode, no sensor. You just turn it off, turn them on, and you're all set to go. These lights will actually last for many years. Plenty of lights included in here. Lumens are really high. This will light up an entire yard. If you're trying to cover an area, a garage or somewhere you need more security light, these are perfect. There's no night to day mode. It's waterproof. There's no sensors or anything. It's just an off and on button, or you could set up your own timer at your own convenience but that's not included in here. That's a separate feature. This is only on and off lights, and that's pretty much how you control these lights. But great floodlights. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, just to give you guys a better idea how bright they are, I lower them down so you can see the brightness of it. Back of it, look at how beautiful. And turn it off. It's completely dark.